Hey everybody, Tommy here with Gavins Point Rec, bringing you one of our RiverStones. This one, of course, is going to be the 39RKFB. Here at Gavins Point, we do order all of our RiverStones with the Legacy package, so you are going to get that full body paint. Of course, these are going to have the fiberglass roof, your 3-inch sidewalls. There are going to be the armored shells around the awning that really extend the life of those. Let's go check out the inside. Stepping inside to the 39RKFB, as with every RiverStone, you get true residential feel, and that's going to be the story all throughout this coach. Into the kitchen back here, there is a dishwasher. You've got the French style doors on your fridge, 4-burner cooktop over here. Into the living room area, dual opposing slides. You got the fireplace, 65-inch TV mounted on the wall there. We do have a half bath up front here. This is going to have your washer and dryer already in unit. You do have a pass-through laundry chute as well. And then we'll continue forward into the bedroom suite where we've got that king bed on a slide. Lots of build-ins for your slide dresser here to the right. Another TV mounted onto the wall. And then we do have a walk-in closet and bathroom in the absolute front of this unit. And inside that walk-in closet, you will see the Dyson vacuum that is included. From Cherokee to RiverStone, come check us out at Gavins Point Rec under the big American flag on your way to the lake.